Meaning of diorama.
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 Diorama. A diorama is a three-dimensional model or display that depicts a scene. It can be thought of as a miniature version of a real-life setting, complete with objects, figures, and landscapes. Often used in museums, exhibitions, and educational settings, dioramas are designed to provide a detailed and realistic representation of a particular environment or event. They can be static or interactive, and may include lighting, sound effects, and other features to enhance the viewer's experience. Overall, dioramas are a creative and effective way to bring history, culture, and imagination to life.